It's about transforming your mindset and your life. When you rise early, you gift yourself precious time to focus on what truly matters, your goals, your health, and your personal growth. Most people hit the snooze button and lose hours to distractions. But those who choose to wake up at 4 a.m. tap into a powerful secret. Time is the ultimate equalizer. We all have 24 hours, but how we use those hours defines our success. Waking up early helps you develop discipline, enhances your productivity, and boosts your mental and physical health. It gives you the edge to learn new skills, meditate, exercise, or simply reflect on your purpose. If you want to change your life, start by changing your morning. Wake up at 4 a.m. and you will be amazed at how your days become more productive, your mindset sharper, and your dreams closer than ever. So tomorrow, set your alarm a little earlier. Step into the calm of the morning and take control of your life. Because success doesn't just happen, it's created in the quiet moments before the world wakes up. Early morning is a time free of distractions. When you wake up at 4 a.m., the world around you is still calm and peaceful. There are no emails flooding your inbox, no phone calls ringing, and no social media notifications vying for your attention. The usual noise of daily life, traffic, conversations, and the hustle of work hasn't started yet. This quiet environment creates the perfect setting for deep focus and concentration. Without interruptions, your mind can fully engage with the tasks at hand, whether that's planning your day, reading, writing, or learning a new skill. This uninterrupted time is a rare gift because once the day begins, distractions multiply rapidly. Family members get up, colleagues reach out, and responsibilities pull you in many directions. By starting your day early, you are able to harness this unique window of solitude to think clearly and work efficiently. It's during these early hours that creativity often flows more freely, and ideas come more easily because your brain is rested and not yet cluttered by the demands of the day. This peaceful time also allows you to set a positive tone for the rest of your day, helping you prioritize what truly matters before the noise and chaos take over. Waking up early essentially gives you a head start, letting you accomplish important tasks without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. This ability to work in a distraction-free zone can greatly improve your productivity and overall mindset. Waking up at 4 a.m. provides extra time to focus on personal goals. Most people begin their day rushing through morning routines, barely having a moment to think about what they want to achieve. But by waking up early, you give yourself a valuable gift, time that belongs solely to you, before anyone else's demands or distractions come into play. This extra time in the morning can be dedicated entirely to your personal growth and ambitions, whether that means working on a passion project, honing a skill, or setting clear intentions for the day. When the rest of the world is still asleep, you have the freedom to create without pressure, distractions, or interruptions. This quiet period allows you to dive deeply into activities that require focus and commitment, such as reading, journaling, exercising, or strategizing for your long-term goals. Instead of squeezing these important actions into an already packed schedule, waking up at 4 a.m. lets you give them the attention and energy they deserve. This can accelerate progress and build momentum in your personal and professional life. Furthermore, dedicating time to your goals first thing in the morning sends a powerful message to your subconscious. You prioritize growth and achievement. Over time, this mindset shift can increase motivation and boost confidence because you start each day by taking meaningful steps forward. In addition, having time to work on your goals early means you're less likely to neglect them as the day progresses and other responsibilities take over. The quiet morning hours become a sanctuary for your dreams, a sacred space where you can nurture your aspirations without compromise. Discipline